Hi guys. So before we go, let's clean our scooter. While raining, let's clean it. Yay, it's clean now. Preparing for our
Guys, we pack a lot of things because we're gonna stay long in Batangas. Here I am, guys, putting my safety gears, of course, to avoid, getting hurt from if you get an accident. Hi guys, pupunta kami Batangas ngayon. Nakamotor lang kami. Kasi mahal ang bus. Hirap ang bus kanina. Ang hirap mag-kotse guys. Yung motor, 250 full tank lang. So, pag motor tayo mag-race, balance. Hi guys! Please come and ganda na stuck na kami. Stuck na here in Bacoor, Cavite. Dito kami sa Bacoor, Cavite. Kumain muna kami ng tuhog. Grabe, nakakabuto. Hello? Sakit na ng puwit ko. Hi! Hello, ganda. Masakit lang. Ngayon daw tuhog. Ayan.
Apoy Manggol.
Ah, sige. Ito yung ating sasakyan. Ito yung ating dala. Ha? Bye guys! Update you again later. Bye! Look here guys, it's so dark, it's so scary. Oh my god, the road, the path that we're taking, oh my god, it's so scary. You cannot hear a single sound guys. And you know what guys, it takes a lot of courage for you to take this road because it's a KBL road. It's very scary here. And you know what, it's me and Ganda riding a motorcycle here. And no signal here. When your motor gets stuck, no one can help you here. It's 9 p.m. So oh my god, there's a lot on our mind, thinking that maybe there's a witch, there's someone behind us. Oh my god. So I'm trying to be brave, but I don't know Ganda's feeling right now. Maybe she's scared also, but oh, there you go, a Kabyang tunnel guys. It's a very scared tunnel. It's like the train to Busan tunnel. Oh my god, it's so scary. I want to get out. I want to end this tunnel. I want to get out guys. And oh, I'm holding my breath and finally, oh my god, thank you Lord. On another unending road again. I want to end this. You know what guys, I want to end this. I want to fly and tell Ganda, oh my god, Ganda, this is the last. Oh, and there's hope guys. We saw a house along the road. Oh my god, and I felt so happy. I felt so that there is a light after the darkness. So we get going, Gandami. We keep going and going, and then oh my god, our we cannot breathe, guys. Our heart is beating so fast, and thank God we saw a house, and we stopped by for a minute, and we breathe and then keep going again and again and again, and darkness again.